guys, it's Alison Creamer, and I am actually doing an off-site podcast today. We're at the Panera in Greenbrier, so if you hear a little car traffic and people, we're enjoying this, spring weather that almost feels like summer. Today's podcast is going to be about home warranties, and I am with Amy. Amy and I were getting to know each other a little bit long before the podcast started, and I didn't realize you were an agent, so you've been in my feet, you've been in my shoes, you've walked a mile with me. So go ahead and introduce yourself and your company and how long you've been doing this.
Sure. So my name is Amy. I work with HMS Home Warranty, and I've been in the real estate business for approximately 14 years now. I've been in everything from an administrator in an office to a real estate agent. And now I've been in the home warranty business for a couple years.
And you're a mom.
And I am a mom.
I love these strong working moms.
Yes, absolutely. My 11-year-old little girl keeps me busy as well as the job.
So before you got into servicing and helping agents with home warranty options, did you yourself refer a lot of your clients to get a home warranty? Did you understand that value?
Absolutely. With being a realtor for so many years, it was very important to me that my clients had peace of mind moving into a home, as well as if they were selling their house, they could save money at the same time. So I often referred home warranties to my clients.
Yeah, and that's actually one of the first things when we do a buyer's consultation is we go through the home warranty options just to kind of let them know. Now, we had mentioned earlier, we're probably not going to get real deep about the actual plan of a home warranty, but explain to somebody what a home warranty is in reference to what home insurance is, because I get people not understanding that homeowners insurance is not a home warranty.
Right. So there's a big difference between homeowners insurance and a home warranty. Homeowners insurance is designed to cover the contents of the home. A home warranty is a mechanical warranty that covers the systems and appliances in the home. Things like your dishwasher, your stove, all your kitchen and laundry appliances are covered. Your HVAC, your hot water heater, those big ticket items that you don't want to have to spend a lot of money to repair or replace.
Yeah, and that's what I try to get people to understand. Even if you have a new hot water heater, these home warranties help with, like you said, the stove, the dishwasher, the washer dryer if they were there when they came, when you purchased the home and stuff. So when you look at you were explaining to me that each home warranty is different. Okay, so depending on the house, the needs, it's really important for that agent and the homeowner to start looking at the differences, especially as it applies to maybe an older home or as you're walking in and you're seeing a maintained unit, but it could be a little bit older.
Right.
So looking at what is this house, how does it sit, and what is going to be the best package. But you had said that you believe that your premium package?
Yes, we have a Premier Upgrade
package. Really kind of encompasses a lot of the things that we might not even be thinking about.
Yes, so with your Premier Upgrade package that we have, you have coverage for all the systems and all the appliances in the home. We have no square footage limitations. We have unlimited HVAC units. And it gives you an extra layer of protection on top of a base plan home warranty where you'll have coverage for lots of other things that may come up.
Gotcha.
It really is the best in the industry.
So we were also discussing how this is a military community.
And
the
love our military.
Love our military. I do. I have to tell you. I've been here my whole life. I've never even dated a military boy, but I love them.
Yeah, I've lived here my whole life too.
So one of the things that I know when I'm helping a new buyer come in and maybe they've had a PCS move, and we know that somebody's going to go on deployment, whether it's mom or dad, we're not quite sure, but it's a place where the person that's here at home could at least know that the vendors have been vetted.
Oh, absolutely.
And if they are bad, they can call the home warranty company and say, these people,
hopefully that won't happen.
I know. But it kind of diffuses a little bit of that anxiety of having to get something fixed.
Sure, you're new to the area. Sometimes the buyers are new to the area. They don't know who to call if a system or appliance breaks down. We have over 40,000 network providers nationwide. So we have plenty of vendors in the area. They do a fantastic job for us. They're coached and trained on the warranty business. They're bonded, they're insured. We have meetings with them. We have people that handle their accounts. So they're fully vetted. vetted and happy to help you with your issue.
So I like stories because we are on a podcast called Conversations with Creamer instead of sales. So tell me if you can think of maybe a scenario that might have happened that just, it warmed your heart. You just knew that you were
I have
so
the perfect
glad.
story.
You were so glad they had a home warranty. So tell me.
Perfect story. I had a call at the last couple of months, and it was actually a grandfather calling. And his grandson had just moved into a brand new house, and brand new as in new to them. It wasn't new construction. Hot water heater was about 7 or 8 years old when they moved in. It worked fine at home inspection. They thought they were moving in, wouldn't have any problems, and lo and behold, a month into the house, the hot water heater, it failed. And they had a brand new baby. It was just a mess, and they were strapped for money. They spent all of their savings trying to get into the home. And the grandfather called me, and he said, Amy, he said, you know, your vendor just left here, and they told us that we only had to pay our $100 deductible, and we were getting a new hot water heater because we had your upgraded package. And I told him, I said, let me check to make sure the package is in place and everything is there. And sure enough, it was. And he was so happy that his grandchildren, and great-grandchildren now, were able to move into that house and have that coverage and didn't have to come out of pocket with $1,500 right off the bat that they didn't have. So they were happy spending $100 and getting their new hot water heater when it failed.
So who qualifies to buy a home warranty? Is that only when you have a real estate transaction? Is that, is that on investments? Is that personal only?
So we cover sellers up to a whole year on the market. If you're selling your home, no upfront cost for the warranty. It goes into place. Your agent can put it in place for you. It transfers to the buyer for a whole year at closing. So we cover that. We also cover buyers if they're moving into the home and they want that coverage for the first year. And of course, everybody can renew after the year. We don't cut it off right at a year.
Right.
We cover new construction homes for years 2, 3, and 4 for a very low price. And we also have existing home coverage where we can cover anybody that's not part of a real estate transaction, and they get the same price and coverage that buyers get. So it's really fantastic.
See, I think that's really good to know that you don't have to have been in a real estate transaction in order to qualify for this.
Absolutely, yes. Anyone can have a home warranty. Anyone.
Nice. Well, tell me exactly your company, how somebody can reach you. We're going to have all of the contact information and everything, links in the show notes, but if they're listening and they want to jot down your number real fast, how can somebody get a hold of you?
So again, my name's Amy Holloway. I work with HMS Home Warranty, and you can reach me anytime at 757-472-5602. You can also email me at aholloway@hmsnational.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
Thanks for having me.